I'm not gonna be able to do, what's it called, Wednesday, because it's just being weird, not really like letting me know anything. So we'll do Monday and Tuesday, and then we'll do Wednesday on, what's it called, let's go to 4 hour consolidation, not really telling me much. We got this high right here, we got this low right here, we got this low right here. Okay, let's make sure to mark down here. We got this high right here, we got this low right here, we got this low right here. That's it though, I mean, not much else. Okay, so what I could see is right here, sweep. We could be doing like a pre-market liquidity sweep to the upside. Let's just mark these out just in case. We're already in the fair value gap here. Okay. Not much to mark here, but we do have this. So this could be a pre-market liquidity sweep. To be honest, we don't need this. Yeah, we are in. Okay, so we just made a bullish SMT, but we also swept out liquidity, but we made a bullish SMT, so and we swept out these lows, so we actually be looking for at this point we'd be looking for buys. Why would we be looking for buys? Because we kind of already were looking for this pre-market liquidity sweep. We get this SMT. We're already in that equilibrium right there. So we're basically waiting for this candle to form right there. So this would be our thing. And we're going to go on S&P here because it just looks better. Go below here. And we'll go first TP. And we'll go like halfway. We'll go to the halfway point right here. But we'll have 3 TPs. We have this top one, this one, these 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Place order. 1%. First TP is hit. Move stops to break even. Close half of our position. Second TP is hit. Close half of our position. Third TP is hit. Excuse me. Sorry. 1 to 4. I did this exact same trade. I know I did. Made the bullish SMT already in equilibrium. Waited for the 5-minute SMT to be completed. And this was our trade right here. So this is one of those. This is November 24th. No notes. Did a really good job spotting the pre-market liquidity sweep. Not much to say. Then we'll go to the 25th. Okay. See what we see here. No pre-market liquidity sweeps. But we do have this bullish SMT. That we'd most likely be trading off of. Okay, let's go to the 4 hours, see what's going on. We are kind of starting to be in a little bit of a downtrend, but it's not like anything like that. Big move up, big move down, big move up. There's this. We're also making this, starting to make this bearish SMT. But we'll see how that goes. So we're pretty neutral from what we could see. No clear direction of where we're going to go, but we could be going sells here. Also, so much easier to get on the buy side here. I mean, or sorry, sell side liquidity. It's definitely easier to get sells than it is for buys this day. Yeah. Also making this bullish, this bearish SMT as well. Well, it'd be it. Yeah. Making this bullish SMT as well. So we'll see. We're kind of just waiting for one side of liquidity to get swept. Okay. Just broke structure, so we're gonna go for sells here. Oh, wait, no, wait. Sorry, no, this. Sorry. We would go for sells here, but this is because the only liquidity here is right here. That gets swept out. Now we're going for buys. Wait, why would we go for sells? I'm Ed, bro. I'm Ed. Sorry. I'm Ed, brother. Yeah, no, we're going for buys here. Okay. We have this big retracement. Just want to make sure. I think we have an SMT. And these. Yes, we do. Okay, we have an SMT. So we're going to be looking to trade on S&P. Okay. So we're waiting for some sort of think that's the 50% right there, brother. Yeah. That's equilibrium right there. Let's go to the 1 minute. See what's going on. That is an inverse fair value gap right there. Small, but as you can see, oh, sorry, a fair value gap. Okay. Put it below here. First TP will be at this high right here. And then we'll go second TP right here. Third TP. And then there's really not much else. We'll just, that's gonna be our trade. 1.87 is what we're trading. Try to tell him, dog, I'm the one, know how I'm coming. All the time with ass on the stomach. When we chicken tripping me to country, she said, I don't know. Baby, you the one with all the money. Do you love me? Baby, let me know. I'm a masterpiece. That boy Joe Romeo. Baby, where you wanna go? Pick a place to leave the country. She said, I don't know. Baby, you the one with all the money. Where he is Bungie. Pockets is Tunji. Yeah. Shit, I'm good. Sorry, Tunji. Okay. I know I did the same trade here. This is another day with no notes. Read the market well. It's the best way I can put it. Sorry, I was just texting my homie about how he should review November. Because I don't think he's going to be, what's it called, either. This is the one thing that sucks, is I can't go the 26th where I lost. So we'll go on TradingView. Okay. See, that's the thing, is like I think I'd already be in a trade here. No, actually, no, I wouldn't, but okay. We have everything marked out. 4 hour. Let's look at the 4 hour, see what's going on. Alright, so we swept it really high. Now we're starting to go down from what it looks like. As long as we stay below these is where we get, what's it called? So we break structure here. So let's go to here and see what happens. Okay. Tapped into the fair value gap. This one right here. Right there's the inverse fair value gap. So we'd put in a trade. I don't know, I'm just gonna do 10 because I just want to see. And I know what's it called? I know what it does. It just immediately flips, so it's fine. There we go. Okay. We inverse the fair value gap on S&P. But again, we're not looking for that. We're looking on NASDAQ. Right there is where our entry is. And as you can see, we don't even hit anything. Yeah, we don't hit anything. We just get stopped out immediately. So we lose twice. And that's the thing, is this is not going to have that. This is how November should have looked. But again, this isn't true. This isn't fully true. Because November 26th, this day, should be 2 losing days. Should be 2 losing trades. Right? The only thing that would tell me that this wasn't is if I went, right, we didn't, unless we said this right here was the pre-market liquidity sweep, right here. We swept this low. So that would be the only way that this would be correct. But I think this was the right analysis. It just didn't work out. And again, that happens. Okay. It only happened one day. And that's okay. There's no problem with that. So how this really should look. Okay. Should be about 20. It should be a 20K month. With a 72% trade win percentage and a, what is that? 92% day win percentage. What were my biggest problems? Okay. It's a good day. Always are going to have losses. Okay. Trade, just different stop sizing. Predicted the market well. Okay, so don't go for an SMT. Do not, okay, 1 minute SMTs. No, let's not enter on that. Okay, let's not do it. It's not safe. Unless it's a very big thing and it doesn't have any other confluences, it doesn't make it, or it has another confluence like an inverse fair value gap, don't enter on an SMT specifically. Unless it makes a very big fucking, and even then, it's very still like, let's not do it. Moment SMTs, not good. Okay. Again, right here. Moment SMT. So my biggest problems. Okay. Biggest problems. Okay. This is what I need, to work on. Okay, number one biggest problem. Do not enter on 1 minute SMTs. Okay. Number one. Number two. Okay. Make sure to look for pre-market liquidity sweeps. Okay. And number three, biggest problem is make sure to mark all fair value gaps for retracement. Okay. We're looking for any retracement, including those fair value gaps. So this is what it should be. It should have been a 20K month. How much did I make in reality? $600. Okay. Should have been a 72% trade percentage. Unfortunately, wasn't. So, I mean, can't really do much about it. Just what you can do, what can I do? Just keep working. So, I mean, not much else to do. So, really wasn't many losses this week. In this month. Or it shouldn't have been that many losses this month. Lost 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. It's all I lost. I'm ass, and that's okay. Because again, all this takes is market experience, and this is why I do these reviews. I just want to make sure that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. And why am I wrong? Like why are these problems? Is because the reason that it's easier to see the problems in back testing than it is in live testing is because there's so much that goes through your head, right? There's so much that could be going through your head, like, oh, what happens here? What happens here? What is this? Is this what I think it is? Is it not? I think. Hold on, sorry, I have to sneeze. I think what I need to do as a trader specifically is I need to live trade like I back test. Okay, because back testing feels great, right? The strategy works. You know what doesn't? Me. I don't work. I suck dick. I'm horrible. Right now. Okay, because the difference between $600 and $22,000, that's a big difference. I could have passed multiple funded accounts at this point, but it's just because I'm not ready yet, and that's okay. That's okay. But to see myself going from a 40% win percentage to an 81 or 72 trade win percentage, and to go from a 60% day win percentage to an 81% day win percentage, or sorry, a 92% day win percentage, this was a good month. So who sucks? Who sucks? Me. I suck. I'm ass. I'm horrible. And that's okay. So again, my biggest problems: do not enter on 1 minute SMTs. Make sure to look for the pre-market liquidity sweeps, and make sure to mark all fair value gaps for retracement. But that's it. I mean, not much else to review. Should have been a $20,000 month, just like most of the months that I've already been testing. But again, difference between action and reaction. All right, though, y'all. Love y'all. I'm glad that I did this. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.